Section 164 of CRPC deals with recording of statement before. Is it option A, any magistrate? Option B, magistrate under section 30, or option C, magistrate of first and second class. The correct answer is option C, magistrate first and second class. Any statement recorded by magistrate under section 164 CRPC may be recorded in presence of, is it option A, police, option B, complainant, or option C, accused? The correct answer is option C, accused. Upon a statement recorded by magistrate under section 164 needs to be given opportunity of cross-examination to, is it option A, accused, option B, prosecution, or option C, none of the above? The correct answer is option A, accused. Which certification is essential for recording a statement under section 164 CRPC? Is it option A, certification by police, option B, certification by accused, or is it option C, certification by magistrate? The correct answer is option C, certification by magistrate. Recording of confession of accused under section 164 on oath is blank in the eye of law. Is it option A, inadmissible, option B, admissible, or is it option C, important? The correct answer is option A, inadmissible. Which section of CRPC deals with the procedure when an investigation cannot be completed in 24 hours? Is it option A, section 166 CRPC, option B, section 167 CRPC, or is it option C, section 168 of CRPC? The correct answer is option C, section 168 CRPC. An accused person can be detained in custody of police upon the order of, is it option A, magistrate, option B, station house officer, or is it option C, none of the above? The correct answer is option A, the magistrate. A magistrate authorizing under section 167 CRPC detention of accused in custody of police, is it option A, needs nothing for authorization to be recorded, option B, shall record his reasons for so doing, or is it option C, need to deal the matter upon his mode to record the reason or not? The correct answer is option B, shall record his reasons for so doing. Section 167 CRPC bars that the accused shall not be kept out of the prison while in custody of the police between, option A, afternoon and evening, option B, sunset and sunrise, or is it option C, early morning and noon? The correct answer is option B, sunset and sunrise. Section 167 CRPC deals with option A, remand, option B, acquittal, or is it option C, confession? The correct answer is option A, remand. The section 167 CRPC empowers magistrate to send any accused within the custody of police upon the request of police for not more than blank days. Option A, 10 days. Option B, 12 days. Or is it option C, 15 days? The correct answer is option C, 15 days. Police, in case of deficiency of incriminating evidence, can release a person, option A, without sureties. Option B, upon its own bond. Option C, without any requirement. The correct answer is option B, upon his own bond. The section 170 CRPC deals with option A, discharge of accused. Option B, recording of challan. Or is it option C, sending of case to magistrate? The correct answer is option C, sending of case to magistrate. Under which section of CRPC every police officer investigating a case needs to record day-by-day entries in a diary? Is it option A, 170, or option B, 172 of CRPC? Or is it option C, 173? The correct answer is option B, under section 172 CRPC. The report of police officer needs to be submitted before magistrate through, is it option A, officer in charge of police station? Option B, court officer? Or is it option C, public prosecutor? The correct answer is option C, public prosecutor. How many columns are there in a challan form? Is it option A, 6 columns? Option B, 7 columns? Or is it option C, 8 columns? The correct answer is option B, 7 columns. The column number 1 of challan form is for accused, option A. Option B, offense. Or is it option C, complainant or informer? The correct answer is option C, complainant or informer. Column number 3 of challan form is for the accused. Option A, under arrest. Option B, released on bail. Or is it option C, discharged? The correct answer is option A, under arrest. The column number 4 of challan form deals with, is it option A, accused under arrest? Option B, accused on bail? Or is it option C, none of the above? The correct answer is option B, accused on bail. The column number 6 of challan form deals with, is it option A, accused absconder? Option B, accused confessed? Or is it option C, witness? And the correct answer is option C, witness. Every offence shall be inquired in and tried by a court within local limit of whose the offence was option A occurs, option B committed, or is it option C done? The correct answer is option B committed. The section 174 of CRPC deals with option A police to inquire, report on suicide, etc. Is it option B police to inquire robbery, or option C none of the above? The correct answer is option A police to inquire, report on suicide, etc. During the investigation, a police officer can summon any person under which section of CRPC to attend investigation? Is it option A, section 174 of CRPC, option B, section 175 of CRPC, or is it option C, section 176 of CRPC? The correct answer is option B, section 175 CRPC. The section 176 CRPC empowers magistrate to make inquiry with respect of, is it option A, cause of death, option B, theft, or is it option C, zina? The correct answer is option A, cause of death. When a complaint is made before a magistrate regarding cognizable offence, he shall record the statement of complaint. Is it option A, on oath, option B, without oath, or is it option C, on a special oath? The correct answer is option A, on oath. Under section 205 CRPC, magistrate may dispense personal attendance of, is it option A, complainant, option B, witnesses, or is it option C, accused? The correct answer is option C, accused. Which provision of CRPC from the following deals with double jeopardy? Is it option A, section 402 CRPC, option B, section 403 CRPC, or is it option C, section 404 CRPC? The correct answer is option B, section 403 CRPC. No appeal shall lie from any judgment or order of criminal court except as provided by option A, CRPC, option B, any other law, or is it option C, both A and B? The correct answer is option C, both CRPC and any other law, that is A and B. Which section of CRPC deals with appeal from order rejecting application for restoring of attached property? Is it Option A 406 CRPC. Option B Section 405 CRPC. Or is it option C Section 404 CRPC? The correct answer is Section 405 CRPC. Option B. Any person who has been ordered by a magistrate under Section 118 CRPC to give security for keeping peace or for good behavior may appeal against such order to, is it option A, Court of Magistrate under Section 30 CRPC? Or is it option B, Special Judge? Or is it option C, Sessions Judge? The correct answer is option C, Sessions Judge. Appeal against the order of additional Sessions Judge shall lie to, is it option A, Court of Sessions Judge? Option B, High Court? Or is it option C, none of the above? The correct answer is option B, High Court. The appeal from sentence of High Court shall lie to, is it option A, High Court? Option B, Supreme Court? Or is it option C, both High Court and Supreme Court? The correct answer is option C, both High Court and Supreme Court. Which section of CRPC deals with appeal from sentence of Court of Session? Is it option A, Section 410 CRPC? Or is it option B, Section 411 CRPC? Or is it option C, 410 and 411 CRPC? The correct answer is option A, Section 410 CRPC. There is no appeal in which cases? Is it option A, death cases? Option B, sedition cases? Is it option C, summary trial? The correct answer is option C, summary trial. A person aggrieved by the order of acquittal passed by any court other than a high court may file an appeal to High Court in how many days? Is it option A, 20 days? Option B, 30 days? Or is it option C, 40 days? The correct answer is option B, 30 days. Appeal in case of acquittal can be made under section, is it option A, Section 407 CRPC? Is it option B, Section 417 CRPC? Or is it option C, Section 427 CRPC? The correct answer is option B, Section 417 CRPC. Appeal is admissible on the matter of, is it option A, fact? Is it option B, law? Or is it option C, both A and B? The correct answer is option C, both A and B, that is fact and law. A person in jail can make his appeal petition through, is it option A, his attorney. Option B, Inspector General of Police. Is it option C, officer in charge of the jail? The correct answer is option C, officer in charge of the jail. Appellate court can take further evidence as provided in which section of CRPC? Is it option A, section 428 CRPC? Is it option B, section 430 CRPC? Or is it option C, none of the above? The correct answer is option A, section 428 CRPC. Which section of CRPC deals with bail in bailable cases? Is it option A, section 496 CRPC? Option B, section 497 CRPC? Or is it option C, none of the above? The correct answer is option A, section 496 CRPC. Bail is a transfer of custody of a person from police to, is it option A, private persons? Option B, court? Or is it option C, any other agency? The correct answer is option A, private persons. The section 497 of CRPC deals with the bail in case of, is it option A, bailable offense? Is it option B, non-bailable offense? Or is it option C, both A and B? The correct answer is section 497 of CRPC deals with non-bailable offenses. Option B. The section 497 of CRPC is applicable to the cases in which accused is option A, arrested, option B, not arrested, or is it option C, none of the above? The correct answer is option A, arrested. Basic ingredients of section 497(2) of CRPC to release accused on bail is option A, innocence of accused. Is it option B, case of further inquiry? Or is it option C, none of the above? The correct answer is option B, case of further inquiry. In non-bailable cases, release of accused on bail depends upon discretion of, is it option A, court? Option B, accused? Is it option C, complainant? The correct answer is option A, court. A bail is a right of accused in blank cases and grace in blank cases. Is it option A, 1, bailable, A, 2, non-bailable? Is it option B, 1, non-bailable, B, 2, bailable? Or is it option C, both A and both B? The correct answer is option A, bailable and non-bailable. The word bail is derived from word bailer of which language? Is it option A, Latin, option B, Greek, or is it option C, French? The correct answer is option C, French. The section 497(1) CRPC deals with cases falling within blank class. Option A, prohibitory class. Option B, non-prohibitory class. Or is it option C, both A and B? The correct answer is option A, prohibitory class. The term abscond means to hide from criminal proceedings. Option B, to hide from friends. Or is it option C, to hide from family? The correct answer is option A, to hide from criminal proceedings. The section 497(2) of CRPC deals with cases of, is it option A, further inquiry, option B, heinous offense, or is it option C, confession? The correct answer is option A, further inquiry. The section 497(3) of CRPC deals with, is it option A, court's reasoned recording of releasing a person on bail? Or is it option B, dismissal of bail? Or is it option C, cancellation of bail? The correct answer is option A, court's reasoned recording of releasing a person on bail. The section 497(5) of CRPC deals with option A, cancellation of bail. Is it option B, surety bonds? Or is it option C, bonds of minors? The correct answer is option A, cancellation of bail. An anticipatory bail means option A, bail after arrest. Is it option B, bail before arrest? Or is it option C, both A and B? The correct answer is option B, bail before arrest. Which bail petition needs an affidavit? Is it option A, bail after arrest? Option B, bail before arrest? Or is it option C, both A and B? The correct answer is option B, bail before arrest. Bail before arrest can be moved. Option A, before Court of Sessions judge. Option B, before High Court. Or is it option C, both A and B? The correct answer is option A, before Court of Sessions judge. The section 499 CRPC deals with option A, bonds of accused and sureties. Option B, bonds of and sureties of complainant. Or is it option C, none of the above? The correct answer is option A, bonds of accused and sureties. When any accused person fulfilled the requirements of Section 499 CRPC, he will be option A, rearrested, option B, acquitted, or is it option C, released? The correct answer is option C, released.